Hi guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this smart LED floor lamp for reviewing purposes. So let's open it up and let's see what comes inside, okay? And I think that it's nice because you can connect it to your cell phone, which I think it's gonna be really nice to change different, well, light parameters, configuration, modes that it has, and I think that it's really great. As you can see, it comes really well protected, which I think that it's great. That way it doesn't came damaged. And as you can see, we have the user manual with all the instructions on how to connect the device onto our cell phone, how to install it, which I think that it's really great. Okay, we have in here the proper light that we can focus, which I think that it's really nice. Okay, we have all the tools that we're gonna need to assemble it. The remote control and the backside LED strips with all the pieces that we're gonna use to connect them, wire them, which I think that it's really great. Okay, and on this side we have the main unit base. Okay, it has its proper weight to it, and that's because this way the main unit won't be falling off or anything, which is really stable, and I think that it's a nice feature. Okay, so well, let's start assembling the main unit and let's see how it works. Okay guys, so as you can see, the assembly process is actually really simple. The instructions are really clear, and as I've said, it's a really innovative design, and I think that it looks amazing. We can light the music with the lights, and I think that it's really nice that we can adjust every single piece. We can control it with 3 different methods: the application, the remote control, and through the application we can connect it to Alexa, which I think that it's really nice. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed, and I think that it looks amazing. As you can see, it was a really easy assembly, and we can control different parts of the main unit. As you can see, I can control this bottom part and the back side also. With these 2 buttons, I can change the color of the LED stripe on the back side, which I think that it's really nice, and also change the temperature of the main unit light and also the brightness, which I think that it's really nice. We can even use different kinds of modes for the strip light, and I think that it looks amazing. We even have a, well, sleep mode, and I think that another feature that it's nice is that you can even control it with your cell phone. As you can see right now, I can turn everything on, the auxiliary light. I can change the color, which I think that it's really nice. You can change each strip individually, and as you can see, we can set different scenes like a daily, a party scene, different kinds of configurations, which I think that it's really nice. And overall, I like it a lot, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.